I broke. Almost. You have to throw it over. Over the fence. That was funny because I think I throw it over. The first time you threw it, you threw it high and far, and I hit the tree and it blocked it.
For real?
Like right on the tip of the tree.
I did it.
Yeah, stop. Look, I can throw it right from here. Look, Anthony. Look, I'm gonna throw it over from here, okay? Look. I throw far, huh?
Hey.
Jazz,
I throw far, huh?
you throw far, Mama.
Can you do this?
I can throw it over on the other side. Watch. I was a baseball
Lean like a cholo.
I used to play baseball. Yeah, I used to play baseball. I was a baseball player. Like, watch. Over, look. Yeah, throw it over.
Whoa, that's it.
I used to play baseball when I was small.
You were like
No. The way he says it, he says,
You were like a little baby.
He goes like that.
Mhm. Silly.
Oh, you found
You
a big
do it.
rock, huh? Oh.
Hey, no. Relax, okay, Anthony?
Ready? Look, I'm gonna throw it over. Ready? A big rock. Look.
Oh, hell no. F that bee. Bring her over here. Oh, no, it's a boy.
Wait, let me see. I could throw this one, okay?
Go throw it all the way over there, over. Right here. Throw it from right there.
Wait, can you run?
Yeah.
Sure. I can run.
Oh. Your son fell. You okay?
Yeah, say butt cheek. Hey, you're not wearing underwear? That was crazy. Your whole ass came out.
I saw your butt. I saw your butt.
No, Anthony, no. You're not wearing underwear, huh?
I am.
Let me see.
Good.
Show me your underwear.
See?
Why are they under your butt? Put them right.
I broke it.
Oh, you broke it? You know your ABCs? You know your ABCs? What is that, a rock? It's a rock? Break it?
Hey,
You know how to break it? You can break it?
hey, I tried another side.
Babe, how long you want your video?
Huh?
How long?
Oh,
It's already 3 minutes.
yeah, so can I lick it? Here's your daughter. Here's your daughter.
No, what'd you say?
She said, I can break the stick. She went, ta-da!
No, you better relax.
You gonna step in that? Look, let me know, what's that? Why did she have red stuff on her face?
Do you know why I think she hurt herself?
No, like sticky on her forehead.
Maybe it's from that makeup she has. She has like
Oh,
a thing.
she's
It's
using it?
glossy, yeah.
Let me know. You got makeup with it, look at it, makeup.
I love you.
Take off the makeup?
You talking to me or you talking to a horse? Yeah, right. You talking to me looking at your horse. I love you. I love you back.